The CraftBot FLOW IDEX. What is IDEX and what does it mean? Well, IDEX is Independent Dual Extruders all inside one 3D printer. Take this benchy here for an example. If you're going to take one benchy, you could print multiple benchies at once. This is basically putting two 3D printers inside of one. It has four main modes. The first mode allows you to switch in between extruders and called dual extruder mode. It allows for clean two-color prints and multi-material printing, which is extremely helpful. Ever have a nozzle clog happen? Well, backup mode could be your best friend in this case. It automatically can detect if there is a jam and switch to the other extruder. Next mode is known as mirror mode, allowing you to take one file and print it 2 times at once with each extruder. For complicated prints, supports are needed, and with support mode, each extruder can have a separate purpose, where it's similar to dual extruder mode, but you can put dissolvable supports on your model. Thank you for watching from ultimate3dprintingstore.com.